everyone. Hello, good evening everyone. There is 5-bedroom duplex that I just finished designing that I want to show you around how far I've gone with the design. Please join me as I show you around the design. This is 5-bedroom duplex. So this is the floor plan. This is the floor plan. And this is the ground floor. This is the first floor. It has a rooftop. Then coming to the elevation, you can see the fenestration and the ambience is very beautiful. This is the major entrance. Yeah, this is the major entrance. This is a wonderful place. Yeah, this is the major entrance. This is the gate man's house, before I forget. Yeah. This is the side elevation. This is the side elevation. I will show you the interior later. As I said before, it has a rooftop. The rooftop is for recreation, you understand? Yeah, this is a snooker game. You can relax here as you play snooker. This is a table tennis court. This is a swimming pool at the rooftop. Here, what you are seeing here is the gym. This is the gym. I will show you the interior in detail later. Let me just show you the elevation, the exterior walls. So this is the back. This is the back. The color combination and the design fenestration, they are very beautiful. Yeah. This is the side elevation. Actually, this is the staircase, but I will show, like I said before, I will show you in details the interior designs. So, you know, the function of all these projections at the frontage, the function is just is for shade, is a canopy. It will help to protect rain from entering inside the building through the window, and sun too, for sun not to enter through the window, you understand? And you can see we have a curtain wall here. This is a curtain wall. Yeah, this is a curtain wall. The curtain wall is a special design. So I don't want to make this video long. That's why I have to move straight to show you the interior walls. But first of all, for me to show you interior, I need to select all the walls so that so I want to remove all the walls so that the interior can show. So this is the living room. This is the staircase. I fixed piano in the upstairs. This is a piano. Maybe if the owner of the house wants to relax, he can use it to enjoy himself. So this is the bedroom. This is 5-bedroom duplex, as I said before. This is the toilet. You may not understand it like this because of the way I cut out the building. So I removed all the walls so I can show you the interior. But right now I want to, there's a way I want to do it so that you can understand how it looks like. So let me undo, let the walls come. Let me be removing. Okay, I think I've got what I want. So this is the interior. I just want you to have a view of how the interior looks like. This is the major entrance. You enter through this place, then this by the left is the living room. This is the dining. The dining is a step up. While this building here, this room here is for laundry. Yes, I'm not done designing the laundry. So this is the kitchen. You can see the kitchen equipment and the fridge. The kitchen equipment is there. We have 2 rooms at the first floor. This is the bedroom, toilets. This is the toilet. So the design is actually wonderful, right? This is the Gateman house. So I want you to encourage us by subscribing to our YouTube channel. Subscription is free. Like, comment on our posts, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and all our social media platforms, so that's the only support you can give us, so that our video will keep going viral. So I was trying to show you around the gym. So this rooftop is strictly for recreation. Yeah, it's for recreation. Let me show you around first floor slab. Let me show you the first floor, how the first floor looks like. I don't know why these stairs keep vanishing, but I'm still going to show you because I'm deleting it. That's why these stairs keeps vanishing. So there is a staircase here. When you come up, there's another living room at the first floor. There is a piano and 3 rooms. There are 3 rooms. There are 3 rooms at the first floor, 2 rooms at the ground floor, making it a total of 5 rooms. So it's a 5-room duplex. 5 rooms. So, and if you need any architectural design, you can contact us. We will give you the best design. You've seen our design. This is not a joke. This is totally designed by King's Architects. This is my work. This is what I do. Yeah, bring your design, That's the support you can give me. This is King's Architect and Building Construction. Please follow us on our YouTube channel, Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. My name is Okechukwu Success. Have a wonderful day. Thank you.